Hello class 3, let's start our new chapter number 2, Nina and the baby sparrows. So first of all we will read the chapter. Good morning class 3, now welcome again to your English lesson. So today we will read chapter number 2, Nina and the baby sparrows. Your new chapter number 2 is Nina and the baby sparrows. Now open your book and try to read with me. There was great joy in Nina's house. Nina's aunt was getting married. Nina, her father, mother, and little brother were all going to Delhi for a wedding. Everyone was happy except Nina. Her mother took her to the market to buy a new dress. What color would you like? Mother asked. I don't want a new dress, mother, said Nina. Salwar kameez then? Nina shook her head. What about those lovely white shoes you saw last week? I don't want those either. Thank you, mother. Nina's mother was upset, but she said nothing. They went back home and had lunch. After lunch, mother came and sat near Nina. What is it, child? She asked. Why did you say no to everything? Mother, I don't want to go to the wedding. But why? Nina said nothing instead. Two big tears rolled down her cheeks. Mother put her arms around Nina. Don't cry, my pet, she said. Why don't you tell me what's bothering you? But more tears rolled down Nina's cheek. Mother, she said, there's a sparrow's nest on the bookshelf in my room, and there are two baby sparrows in the nest. I see, said mother. They are just beginning to get their feathers and growing up. Makes them so hungry. All day long they cry cheep cheep, asking for food. I see, said mother. If we go, the whole place will be locked. And how will Papa and Mamma sparrows feed their babies? Oh, Nina, cried mother, giving her a big hug. Is that why you don't want to go to the wedding? But that's no problem at all. We will leave the window open. Oh, can we, mother? Can we? Really? Yes, yes, we will remove all your things from the room and lock the door on the outside. So the house will be perfectly safe and Papa and Mamma sparrows can come and go freely too. Just think, Nina, while you enjoy yourself at the wedding, the baby sparrows will be getting nice and fat in their nest. Good idea, isn't it? It was a good idea. When Nina came back from the wedding, there were two plump little sparrows flying all over the room. And wasn't Nina thrilled? So children, this chapter I have read for you. In this chapter is about a Nina and two baby sparrows. Nina and her family were going to Delhi to attend her aunt's wedding. But Nina don't want to go. Why? She was very upset. Mother took her to the market, buy things. You children also purchase new dresses, shoes for a wedding. Yes. So mother also took her to the market, but she doesn't want to buy anything. Why? She was very upset. Her mother was upset too, seeing that her child is not buying anything. So after taking the lunch, Mother asks why what bothering her, what is the problem with her small child, and she asked Nina. Nina didn't say anything. She started crying and crying and crying. But at last, mother hugged her very nicely and asked her very softly that what what is the problem with you? Why you don't want to come for the wedding? So Nina said that in her room on the bookshelf there is a nest of sparrows, and there are two little baby sparrows, small, and whole day they cry for food, cheep 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 cheep. So if we will go, whole house will be locked, and how the papa and mama sparrows come and feed their babies, and they will cry, how they will get the food. So mother said, oh, this is your problem. No problem, my child. What we will do, we will remove all your things from the room, and we will lock the door on the outside, and we will open the window, and we will leave the window open, so the house will be perfectly safe, and papa and mama sparrows can also come freely to give food to their babies. So Nina get happy. Oh yes, we can do this, mother. Yes, why not? We will leave the window open. We will remove all the things from your room. We will make the room empty, and we will lock the room from outside, and we will leave the window open so that mama and papa sparrows can come and feed their babies. And when Nina came back from the wedding, and she found two little plump sparrows flying all over the room, and she was very happy. So this is the story, children. These are the new words which you have to write down in your notebook. Market, bother, problem, dress, upset, remove, wedding, lovely, plum. These are the hard words. Write down in your notebook and learn. Now come to this exercise. Reading is fun. Questions and answers. Why was there great joy in Nina's house? So come to the chapter. There was great joy in Nina's house because Nina's aunt was getting married, and Nina, her father, mother and little brother were all going to Delhi for a wedding. So that's why you children also happy when there is a wedding in your family, and you all are preparing for going to attend the wedding some out of station. Yes, so Nina and her family were very happy. There is a great joy in Nina's house because her aunt was getting married, and they have to go to Delhi to attend the wedding. Now next question. Why was Nina worried? But Nina doesn't want to go, and she was unhappy. She was upset. So why Nina was upset? Why she was worried? So Nina was worried because there were a sparrow's nest on the bookshelf in her room, and there were baby sparrows in the nest, and she was bothering about those two baby sparrows, those who cry for whole day, cheep 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 for food, and she was worried that if whole house will be locked. Okay, so how they will locked, and how papa and mama sparrows feed their babies. So Nina was worried about the small baby sparrows. She was worried about the baby sparrows. What did mother suggest? When she told her problem with her mother, what mother suggested? Mother said, we will remove your things from the room and lock the door on the outside, so the house will perfectly safe, and papa and mama sparrows can come and go freely, and just the small baby sparrows will get their food easily. And last question is, what did Nina find when she came back from the wedding? What did she find? Nina, come to this. When Nina came back from the wedding, what did she find? There were two plump little sparrows flying all over the room. So these are your question and answers. Write down, do this question answers in your notebook. So children, you have to do this hard words and only question answers in your book. Now come to the next exercise. Let talk time. How do baby sparrows eat? Have you seen any small babies, baby birds eating food? They eat small bits, grains, and they eat. They open their beak, and the papa bear, mama bear put grains inside their beak, and they eat after every half an hour, every time they eat. What new things would you like to wear for a wedding? You can say, I would like to wear. So what would you, I would also like to wear. What you would like to wear? So boys would like to wear sherwanis, nice suit, coat pant, that is called suit also. What girls would like to wear? So what you would like to wear for a wedding, you just write here. Clear? And this exercise you have to do in your book. Now story, picture story. Number the jumbled picture story correctly. Then write the story in proper order. See what had happened first, you have to number them. Mother says we will leave the window open. No. Nina is happy again. No. Nina is sad. Yes. This is number 1. Nina is sad. In the beginning she was not happy. Then Nina does not want to leave the baby sparrows alone. Or mother asked why. When Nina was sad, her mother asked what happened and why you are unhappy. Then what had happened after that? Nina does not want to leave the baby sparrows alone. Yes. Then she said, mother, I don't want to leave the baby sparrows alone. Then after that, mother suggested that we will leave the window open so that the sparrow, babies, mama sparrow and papa sparrow can come and feed their babies. After that, Nina is happy again. Now she is happy. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth. This is the correct sequence of the story. So this sequence you have to write it here in this given space. Number 1, Nina is sad. Number 2, mother asks why. Number 3, Nina does not want to leave the baby sparrows alone. Number 4, mother says we will leave the window open. Number 5, Nina is happy again. This exercise also you have to do in your book. Don't do this exercise in your notebook. Now team time, but you don't have any team. So what you will do today? Let's draw and color a bird. Here you will draw a bird and color the picture. Yes, it's very hot season, summer season. You can keep a bowl filled with water and some grains on your terrace so that the small birds can come to your terrace and have the grains and water. So leave some breadcrumbs, grains, etc. for your featherhead friend. Would you like to have birds visiting you every day? Yes. Try making a bird bath and a feeding corner for birds. So try to make this bird bath and a feeding corner at your terrace. You can place a bowl of water in a quiet corner of the school playground. So you are not coming to school, children. So you can do this exercise at your home and you can place it on the terrace. Terrace means छत पे रख सकते हो अपने. Leave breadcrumbs, grains, etc. वहाँ पे you can leave some breadcrumbs, grains, etc. for your featherhead friend. Featherhead friends means पंखों वाले friends के लिए अपने. ठीक, okay. It is a summer season, so you can leave for your featherhead friends. Now let's draw and color a bird. So yeah, here you can draw a nice bird, color it, color the picture. Okay. Now come to the next exercise. This is an activity and this activity you have to do, you have to make it yourself as a holiday homework. Okay, today is your last day, last working day, you can say. From tomorrow your holidays are starting for 1 month. Now we will meet on in the month of July, first week of July. If schools will open, so we will meet in the school. If schools will still not continue for the children, so we will meet here in the YouTube or WhatsApp group. So this activity you will do as an holiday homework. So what things you needed? You need old greeting card, you need a dal, black bindi, beads for eyes, scissors, gum, old newspaper, old shoelace. Everything is available. Now next, what do you now steps, how to make an outline of the bird on the greeting card and cut it out. So first of all, you have to draw an outline and cut it. Cut a small square from an old newspaper and fold it to make a fan. Keep the fan close. Fan, we fold the paper like this and to make a fan. Then pass the folded fan through the cut on the bird's back and now open the folds of the fan. So this will become the bird's wings. Make the eye by sticking a bindi. Paste a string or old shoelace to hang the bird. So after your holidays, when you will come to school, you have to bring this hanging bird. Everyone has to bring this hanging bird as an activity, holiday homework activity. Now come to this next exercise, word building. This also you have to do in your book. Word building. Write down suitable words describing words. So what is describing words? Describing words means adjectives. Children, you will learn this in grammar part. Adjectives are the words which describe noun. ऐसे वर्ड्स जो नाउन के बारे में कुछ एक्स्ट्रा बताते हैं, उसकी क्वालिटी बताते हैं, उनको हम एडजेक्टिव्स कहते हैं. सो राइट डाउन सुटेबल वर्ड्स डिस्क्राइबिंग ईच पिक्चर. पिक अप द वर्ड्स फ्रॉम द लिस्ट गिवन बिलो. लिस्ट इज गिवन: ब्यूटीफुल, ब्लैक, रेड, हैप्पी, टॉल, फैट. Beautiful. What is beautiful here? A peacock. A peacock is a beautiful animal. So number 1, this is beautiful peacock. Okay, I am writing here a beautiful peacock. BEAUTIFUL. A beautiful peacock. Now next, black. What is black? A blackboard. Nowadays, so we have this green board. Now before that it was a blackboard. So a blackboard. Red. What is red? A red rose. Now happy. A happy boy. Tall. See this. This man is tall or this woman is tall? A man. A tall man. And who is fat? A fat woman. So this exercise you have to do in your book, children. This exercise you have to do in your book. Don't do it in your notebook. Do it in your book. Only question answers and hard words you will do in your notebook. Now say loud. Spoil, sparrow, school, skirt, scold, sport, speak, sport. You play sport, that is sport. Speak, scout, skip, skin. Now children, we will do the question and answers of chapter number 2, Nina and the baby sparrows, and the other exercises. After completing the questions and answers, only question and answers you will do in your notebook. And rest of the exercise you will do in the book. Now question number 1. Why was there great joy in Nina's house? So the answer number 1 is there was great joy in Nina's house because her family were going to attend her aunt's wedding in Delhi, because whole family was going to Delhi. Now question number 2. Why was Nina worried? Nina was worried for something? Yes. So why was Nina worried? Now answer number 2 is Nina was worried about the two baby sparrows in her room. If all the family left the house, the papa and mama sparrows would not be able to feed the baby sparrows. Now come to question number 3. What did mother suggest? When Nina was worried about the baby sparrows, mother suggested something? Yes. What did mother suggest? So answer number 3 is the mother suggested that the window will be left open so that mama and papa sparrows can feed their babies. Mama suggested that we will leave the window open so that mama and papa sparrows feed the babies. Now come to question number 4. What did Nina find when she came back from the wedding? What did she find? She came from the wedding. She found, answer number 4, Nina found 2 plump little sparrows flying all over the room. When she came back from the wedding, she saw 2 sparrows flying all over her room, and both are very plump. Okay. Now children, page number 18, 19 and 21, 18, 19 and 21 you will do in your book. Page number 18, 19 and 21 you will do in your book. This one you will do in your book. Yes. And the second, yes. This is your holiday homework. You will prepare in your holidays and you will bring as your school will open. And this exercise also you will do in your book. Thank you.